Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook water. Step 1. Step 1. Get your cup and catch the water. Get your cup and start trying to catch the water. It may take many moments, but I'm sure you'll get it. Once you have your water, now it's time for step 2. Putting it in a pot. Now, get your pot out. See? Just like that. Oh, okay. She's using it as a hat, but that's fine. Yeah, okay. Yeah, take that off your head. Alright, yeah. Now, place the pot on the stove. Yeah, just like that. Good job. Now, pour the water in the pot. Yeah. Now, turn on the stove. Kids, I recommend getting a parent for this part. Now, once you have your cooked water, get your cup out and then place a towel over it and then pour the water into the cup. And there you go, some fresh, nice cooked water ready for you to drink. And that's how you cook water. Now make sure you like and subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Bye.